Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are a beginner and want to start trading on Pepperstone but don't know how, then here is how you can easily sign up for a Pepperstone account online. First of all, open up any web browser of your preference on your laptop or your computer. In the URL box, type in pepperstone.com and search. You'll then find yourself in the official website for Pepperstone. From the top right corner, go ahead and select Join Now. You'll then see this page where you can go ahead and register yourself. Start off by entering one of your valid email addresses in the first field. Once done, head over to the next field and then enter your password. In order to secure your account, make sure to create a strong password and write it down. Double check your password by clicking on this eye icon before proceeding further. Once done, click on Register. You also have an option to register with Apple account, Google account or Facebook account. I'm just registering with my email option. After clicking Register, you'll need to go ahead and answer some of your questions. Select your country of residence on the next page and click Continue. You'll need to provide the proof of your residence, so make sure you have it first. Now, select your profile type, give a name to your account. Make sure to enter your name exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID. Now enter your date of birth and then your phone number. After typing down your phone number, click on this I agree box at the bottom and click Next. Go through the trading suitability option and you'll need to fill in some of your employment information. Choose the industry you work in, select your position, choose why do you want to trade CFDs, and finally, select your annual income range, select your trader type, and click Continue. You'll also need to go through and verify your identity, or you can also complete your identity verification later whenever you are ready. After finishing this process, you'll be able to sign up for your Pepperstone account. Once your account will be approved, you'll be able to deposit funds to start trading. And that's it. You have successfully signed up for Pepperstone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and follow for more beginner-friendly tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. See you again in the next video.